Alright, so first things first, right? Let's pop a air bubble. Definitely liquid in there, huh? Let's see what this water looks like when it comes out, huh? It's working. Oh, that's working really, really well. Damn, that like sucked out like friggin' everything. That's cool. That's really good news. That is what I wanted. Taco flavored pieces. Alright, y'all. I had to do this piece. I wanted to do this off camera and did this off camera because it took way too long, and it was kind of a finicky piece of fitting to put on. And then heated up the soft tubing with the heat gun and got that installed, looking good. Now I can continue with the rest of the project and go from there. Fill her up with the new liquid that I'm going to use, the Corsair stuff, and have some fun. So let's get into her. Alright, boys and girls, I'm ready to fill up the loop. It's done, it's installed, new water block. I got this fidget spinner in here now too. Pumps all cleaned out, good to go. Everything's back together, installed, ready to fill up. That was fun. Not really. That was a lot of work. That was stupid. A lot of hiccups. And yes, I'm aware of my stupid barb fittings and just multitude of different fittings going on. I need to order more fittings for this build to make it look a little nicer, more uniform, but that is a project for a different day. I have to order those in, get them shipped and all that stuff still. So this is it'll do for now to see if everything works and is golden. And apparently this proprietary cord is something new too. I have to figure out how to use that, so I probably won't have any RGB with this stupid thing right now. That's kind of annoying and frustrating. I wish there was a way just to plug it into the built-in thing, but there it is, installed. It's yeah, stay tuned to my channel for the Corsair coolant filling review, that stuff. We'll see what it's like. I have no idea how much liquid this whole thing holds. It'll be interesting to find out. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you. Leave me a like if you liked it. Thumbs down if you don't like this stuff. Otherwise, consider subscribing if you're new, if you are wanting to do that. Because if you don't, you might not know what I see the video when I fill it up. So, thanks for watching, everybody. Hopefully it was entertaining. Take it easy.